Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I just received a new set of winter wheels and tires for my Tesla. For those of you who live in Northeast already know how terrible the roads get in the winter between the potholes and the salt. So I wasn't going to take any chances. It was the 20-inch wheels and summer tires. So without wasting too much time, let's take a look at what I bought and let's get them on the car. Alright guys, so this is what I went with. I bought MSW 19-inch wheels and a Continental Viking Contact 7 tires in 235/40/19 XL. Tyrek does really good job when they prepare your wheels and tires after mountain balancing. They also mark them for the passenger side and driver's side to basically take all the guesswork out. Alright, so to jack up the car, I'm going to use my heavy duty jack and of course these pucks that go right under the car. So without wasting too much time, let's get them installed. Alright, so to remove this lug nut cover, just use a small Allen key. There's a little tiny hole here. Just put it in, pull, and that's it. One quick note, before you start jacking up the car, you may want to loosen your lug nuts a little bit. I am also going to use the impact gun. Just make things a little easier and quicker. Alright guys, as I was test fitting the pucks that I showed you earlier, turns out my jack is not quite as low profile as I thought it was. So with the pucks that I showed before, once they're in place, jack doesn't quite fit under the car. So I have a slightly different solution. I do have these polyurethane jack pucks that I actually used from my previous Camaro. So, but they do the job quite well. They'll go right on the top of the jag, and this situation works just fine. I just wanted to make you aware of one thing. There's a retainer bolt here for the rotor. So if whatever wheels you're getting, double check the internal spacing. Make sure this bolt fits inside of it. If it doesn't, you do have to remove it. You don't have to worry about it. It's not going to fall off. The wheel will hold it in place. Alright. I thought these wheels will be fine without removing that bolt. Because there are plenty of space inside, but apparently there isn't, so I do have to get it removed. Tyrek did provide 20 new chrome lug nuts. They're not the prettiest, but they'll do. These are winter tires, so not really trying to look for it here. Hey guys, well that was a waste. The lugs that they provided me don't fit. They're too small. So the stock one's going back on, and I'll make sure to reach out to Tyrek. And hopefully they'll send me the new ones. Even though, like I said, these are free. So, yep. Probably thinking, hold on, he said he's going to use an impact gun, and why is he wrenching it by hand? Well, because the battery's dead, and I should have checked it last night, and I didn't, so unfortunately, we'll have to get a little exercise going. Alright, so let me tighten these up and do the rear. If you are guys going to use a torque wrench, which I recommend you do, The lug nut specs torque is 129 foot-pounds. Alright, the front one is done. Let's do the rear. Alright, the driver's side is done. Let's repeat the same on the passenger side. Alright guys, all four wheels and tires are on. Quick note, when I bought the tires and wheels, I did not opt in for a pressure sensors. I typically, aftermarket wheels for the winter, I run them without the sensors. I just don't see a reason to spend extra money on it, honestly. I check them regularly anyway, particularly for the winter season. So that's all you have to do. If you opt in to have them, great. You can, obviously you'll see them through the display. If you don't, you just have to check your tire pressures regularly. I did check them just now. They are running at about 35 psi sent in from Tire Rack. I'm going to up them up to about 40 psi. Since it's winter, I run them a couple of psi lower than usual. So that's what I'm going to do right now really quick. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of winter wheels and tires. A couple of quick notes, like I mentioned before, don't forget to remove the retaining bolt if your wheels don't fit, if there's not enough internal space. If you are running tire pressure monitor sensors, then it's self-explanatory. If you're not, obviously keep monitoring your tire pressure all throughout the season. And a last quick note, if you are running smaller size wheels, don't forget to make the change in a maintenance setting in the car. So that will do it for today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys soon. Take care.